Hello students, in continuation with the previous set of aptitude series, today we shall watch some more topics on reasoning. Okay, the first topic which I would like to tell about this series is seating arrangement. Okay, the first one, what is a seating arrangement? Some of the basics are a seating arrangement is referred to a systematic organization. Okay, whenever you enter into a place or into a hall, you have number of seats. If you have given with a seat, you are told to sit anywhere. There is no any systematic organization, but particularly if a person tells you sit next to this person or sit to the right corner of the third row, so that is systematic organization. So for example, Alex and Blake are sitting, so Alex sits next to Blake means he has to sit next to Blake. Okay, and also Cassie sits next to Finn. So this is a systematic organization. Whenever an organization is given, okay, a particular seating arrangement is given on a specific position, and also conditions and constraints are mentioned. Okay, so that is how you will define how a seating arrangement is. Now when it comes for seating arrangement, we should understand one point. Okay, so when there will be different types of seating arrangements. Okay, when it comes for circular arrangement, mostly circular arrangements are the type of questions. In that case, we should understand one thing. Either this person is sitting to the facing the center, or the person is facing outward of the circle. When the person is facing the center of the circle, okay, towards the center, then he always has a orientation of clockwise rotation. And when it goes for left, when it comes for right, how we will calculate right is it goes for anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, we should be specifically reminded about the clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, so that is very important. And when it facing outward, so towards outward, when it comes for the person is not sitting towards facing the center, then he is facing outward the circle, means towards the left will be coming for anti-clockwise, and towards the right will come for clockwise rotation. There are different types of seating arrangements. We don't have only this type of seating arrangement. That there are different set. The first will be linear seating arrangement. Okay, this is a person is sitting in a straight line. Okay, either he is facing north or he is facing south. So whenever the question is given, you should understand the basic direction of map. Okay, which is south, which is north, which is east, and which is west. Okay, because sometimes in linear seating arrangement, okay, when a student have to arrange them in a line, or in the questions generally using a single row, a set of students sitting on a single row, facing towards north, facing towards side, facing the east towards facing the west. So based on the direction, you should mention and write the solve the question. Okay, so double seating arrangement is next type of question. So it is two groups are including. This is also sitting in a row, but either they are facing to each other or they are facing offside. Okay, so left and right arrangements are given in the diagram very clearly. So when the first set of students is facing north direction, and the second set of students facing south direction. Okay, so if they sit north and south, the left and right side will be changing at alternatively. So the first one is linear seating arrangement, the second one is double row seating arrangement. Okay, see, these two follows the same rule. Okay, for left and right, both the types are going to follow the same rule. So that is how linear and linear arrangement. Now when it comes for circular arrangement, there will be, I already told there are two arrangements. Extra one more type of arrangement is sometimes it will be mixed, facing the center. Some people will be facing the center and some people will not be facing the center. That is the third type. Okay, so whenever circular arrangement, people facing the center, the left and right will be the given. So based on that, whenever a scenario is given, okay, the most important tip is that you should understand which place the person is facing or not. Okay, so that is the most important. And the fourth type is square or rectangular seating arrangement. Okay, whenever there is a closed surface, facing the center or off center will be the important thing that should be considered. So in square and rectangular questions, the arrangement of the people is done around the square or circle. It is also similar to circular arrangement because these questions have corners with that. Okay, whereas those corners are ignored in circle. Okay, and also diagonals will be specified in square and rectangular type of problems, whereas it is ignored in circular seating arrangement. So there are four types of seating arrangements. All the four types will be coming for a logical reasoning type of questions. Okay, so circle, facing center, off center, and linear arrangement, that is only single row, double row arrangement, and also square or rectangular arrangement, which will all come under the same topic. Okay, so stay tuned for some more videos on logical reasoning. Thank you.